In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in OneNote. Customizing the background color of your notes is a simple way to make your pages more visually appealing and easier to read. Whether you're organizing subjects, highlighting important sections, or just personalizing your workspace, changing the page color can help improve both clarity and productivity. To get started, open your OneNote application and navigate to the notebook and page where you want to apply a background color. Make sure you are on the exact page you want to modify, since the background setting applies only to the currently selected page. Once your page is open, look toward the top of the screen where the main menu is located. From there, find and click on the View tab. This section contains various options related to how your page is displayed, including page appearance settings. After selecting the View tab, locate the option labeled Page Color. Click on it, and a palette of colors will appear. This menu provides several preset color choices that you can apply instantly to your page. Now, simply choose the color you prefer by clicking on it. As soon as you select a color, the background of your current page will change automatically. This allows you to preview different colors in real time and decide which one works best for your content. If you want to switch to a different color later, you can return to the same page color option and select a new one at any time. This flexibility makes it easy to adjust your notes based on your preferences or needs. Using background colors can also help you visually separate topics, making it easier to navigate through your notes. For example, you might use one color for personal notes and another for work-related content, helping you quickly identify sections at a glance. Keep in mind that background colors are mainly for on-screen organization and may not always appear the same when printed, depending on your printer settings. And that's how you change the background color in OneNote to make your notes more organized and visually engaging. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.